Okay, welcome back. You can still see that Hailey's still in the house.
Hello.
My granddaughter Hailey. We're gonna make us some kind of a dessert thing. What are we making?
Puppy Chow, aka Mud Buddies.
Mud buddies. You guys ever hear of that? Anyway, so we're gonna make that. It's kind of an easy recipe. We're gonna go over the ingredients and we'll get down to it right away. Cause she wants to munch on it.
They're my favorite things ever.
Okay. Okay, Hailey, tell them what they got.
So in this bowl we have 12 ounces of Chex Mix, or just Chex.
No, just Chex. The Rice Chex is what that is.
We have 10 ounces of chocolate chips.
Right.
We have 2.5 cups of powdered sugar.
Correct.
In this bowl we also have 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Right, that's that white stuff.
6 tablespoons of butter. 3/4 cup of peanut butter.
Right there.
And 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Well, I can't see that, but that's in there. Trust me, guys. Okay, now what we're going to do with this is we're going to put this in the microwave in different times. Doing 15 seconds, 15 seconds. We're going to keep doing that till it's all this here is all melted. So, and then we'll come back. Okay, guys, there you can see it. We've got it in there going round and round. We'll be back when it comes out. Okay, so this is the first round. Hailey's mixing it up good. So we're going to probably put it in there again, let all that stuff melt. We want it all nice and gooey.
No chunks.
Okay, guys, there you see it. It's all melted. So I'm going to bring you over to the mixing bowl and we'll be setting to it. Okay, guys, so we're just going to pour some of this in there. We're going to mix it around. And what I'm going to do is keep this off to the side. And if it cools down too much, we'll stick it back in the microwave. But then, you just take this and you keep mixing and mixing until everything's coated. Now they say you could do this in a plastic bag, a gallon bag, and ice cream bucket. But this will work. Just got to keep mixing it around. Then we'll take some more of this juice.
It's hot.
It's hot, yeah. I think it was hot. So what's the name of this again, Hailey?
Mud Buddies.
Muddy Buddies.
Or Puppy Chow.
Or Puppy Chow. You can see why it looks like puppies, huh? Puppy Chow? Looks like dog food. Sounds like it. Mixing it up, right?
Yeah. Gotta get all the nice chocolate goodness.
Yeah, it's all going in there.
Smells like chocolate chip cookies.
It smells like chocolate chip cookies.
Like the chocolate smell.
I think it smells like chocolate peanut butter cookies.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Those are really good.
Mm-hmm. Now once we get all this coated, then we're going to sprinkle some of that white powdered sugar in there. And then we're going to put it out on a cookie sheet and sprinkle some more powdered sugar on there. Until everything's nice and cooled down. Okay. Now normally, you guys would say, Mr. Dan always sticks his hands in there. Not today, that's awful hot.
And probably very messy.
Well, I don't care about the mess. I usually, if it's cold, it's not bad, but you don't stick it in there when that stuff is hot like this here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You'll burn yourself.
Yep. I think the chocolate's starting to cool down enough where it's not really sticking anymore, but it'll keep mixing it. Get as many of these coated as you can. See, that's why grandma should be doing stuff like this. This is a job for strong old grandma.
Yeah, she's stronger than us.
The big Popeye muscles.
Yeah, girl, you got some Popeye muscles. And do you eat your spinach yet? No.
Okay. So with that being said, I think we're just about there. So the next step is, got to get my assistant over here to sprinkle some powdered sugar. She's been dying to do this, so let's get some powdered sugar in there, Hal. Come on. Come on now, just sprinkle it right on top. More than that, come on. That's it. Can I give me another scoop? Okay, let me mix that around.
And I shall get more in the cup. Oh, it's pretty good.
Really? I need Popeye muscles. Where's my spinach? Okay. Put
You have Brussels sprouts.
Put some. Well, Brussels sprouts at work, but I never seen Popeye eat those. Good. Put a little more in there.
How's it tasting over there, old Popeye?
Tasting good.
Looks like snow.
The spoon ain't getting it. It's too flimsy.
Oops, I just got.
You know why? Because it's getting starting to stiffen up because of chocolate. See.
I just got powdered sugar.
According to Miss Hailey here, she gets this stuff at the gas station or somewhere. Wawa, is it?
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. Oop, does it look like this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
There's just more of it now instead of in the bag, so. Tastes as good as looks.
Put some more in there. Put some more in there. We're going to save a little bit in the bowl. I think that might be it right there. Give one more shot. Hell, one more little bit, and then we'll save what's in the bowl to sprinkle on the top when we put it on the paper, huh? Okay. Actually, I think this recipe came from Megan on Culinary Hill, whatever it is. I get recipes in my inbox. I signed up with them a long time ago. I just happened to see this the other day, so give a shout out to her. It's working, so I'll put a little bit more powdered sugar on here right quick, just a little bit. We're going to save the rest of this to sprinkle on. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys, that's what you got. Puppy Chow, a.k.a. Muddy something. Muddy Buddies. Okay, so we'll meet you at the taste test table in a couple minutes. Here we are at the taste test table. So, Miss Hailey, do those things taste good?
Very.
Do they taste better than 7-Eleven? Buddy Muddies or whatever they are? Buddy Humbies, whatever they are?
Alright, I can really taste the chocolate in these ones, and just overall great flavor and texture.
It's all good, huh? So I'm glad you shared that recipe with us today. So, without further ado, don't forget, you guys, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's another great dish just like that. Give us a like, because me and Hailey working really hard. Share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't yet. When you do, little notification bell will pop down. There you will see a bell. You hit that, and then that will notify you each time that we make another delicious recipe just like this. And there's a little arrow button right below the video box. You hit that, drop down box will come down. It will give you a complete description of what we just did here today, give you a link to our Facebook page, and also a link to my daughter Stephanie's artwork page. So until next time, stay safe, stay hungry, and when you are, come back and we will give you another delicious dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan and Miss Hailey saying what? We're out.